Hi there, this is our Colchester Triumph 2000. It's a 1250 centre one. General condition is good. It's got a couple of things with it. One is that the electromagnetic clutch, I've noticed, isn't working, so that may need looking at. And it's got a little bit of bed wear down this end. You can feel that the bed's rough on here as opposed to the other end. Apart from that, it's all pretty good. It's got a little bit of a ding here in the fiberglass through transport, I imagine. So got your steadies and your four-jaw, the back's tidy, it's got that full-length splash guard, obviously the clutches. Oh, someone's made another lever here at some stage. Gap, coolant. So it's a reasonably complete lathe and just, yeah, pretty original looking. It's got the quick change on it, the metric and imperial dial indicators. You can change the direction of your feeds from the carriage, etc. Okay, we'll start from this end. That tailstock lock's good. That coil's nice to operate. Feels okay up that centre of that taper, and that lock's working good. Carriage is nice and easy to operate. Cross slide feels alright. There's probably a third of a movement there in the play, so that's quite a bit. And compound slide feels nice. And there's probably a quarter of a turn just over in there. Okay, we'll start it up. I don't have any coolant in it, but I imagine that's all working alright. I'll just power that coolant pump up. There it is, ticking over there. I've got it in 80 RPM, so I'll take you through the feeds. There's the lead screw engaging, and that's going in and out nicely. I've got that on high ratio there, so I'll put that to low. You can change the other direction, put it back up to high. There it is going the other way. So there's your directions and your low and high ratio, and your other feed speeds. It's going through them nice. Yeah, I'll put that back up to high and take you through the feeds from the carriage. So that's the cross slide heading away from you, and I can change that direction, and now it's coming back out towards you. That's going in and out nicely, and now the carriage is coming towards me, and I'll change that direction, and now it's going that way. So those are the feeds. I'll disengage them and take you through the speed range. So they're all working nice. Okay, we'll put it into low range. So that's 25. Forward. 33. 45. 60. Next range, so I've showed you 80, so next one 108. 40. So this model doesn't come with the emergency foot brake, they use electromagnetic brake on them, 190. Next range, 260. Forward, reverse, 350. 270. $625. Last range coming up. 840. 1120. 2 more. 1500. Last one. 2000. So they were all nice to put in and out. Everything felt really good there. They all sounded reasonably quiet. I'll take you in reverse at 2000. The clutches and forward and reverse feel good. So yeah, the gear range feels good. So that's pretty much it. It's done a little bit of work, but it's all there and ticking over quite nice.